Welcome children to our English class. We will start our next chapter, chapter 9, Tara and Appu. Here are some elephant riddles. Have fun reading them. Tick the answer that you like the most. How can you tell when an elephant is under your bed? So there are three options, and how you will tell that there is an elephant in under your bed. Your nose is squashed against the ceiling, your bed shakes hard, you roll backward and forward. So these are options, and you have to choose one option to tell that there is an elephant under your bed. Why don't elephant rides bike? Why don't elephant rides bike? So they don't have a thumb to ring the bell. The seat is too small. They only travels in car. So these three options are there. You have to take any one option. What time is it when 10 elephants are chasing you? 10 after 1, 1 to 10, time to run. What you will do? You have to take that answer. It's up to you which option you select. Okay, so let's start the chapter. See children, this is Tara and this is Tara's friend Timmy. Let's start reading. An elephant has entered a park. What does Tara do? When elephant enters the park, what Tara is going to do, we will see. There is an elephant on the loose. On the loose means free, freely moving in the park. So there is an elephant on the loose in the park, shouted Timmy. So who shouted? Timmy shouted that there is an elephant in the park and it is moving freely, rushing into the school playground. I just heard a man saying so. So Timmy has heard a man saying that the elephant is in the park, and so he shouted, it escaped from the circus, said Timmy. So Timmy is saying that the elephant has ran away from the circus and entered in the park. Oh, what a shame, said Tara. She loved flowers, and she couldn't bear to think of the elephant's great feet, trampling over and crushing them all. So she loves flower and she don't want that the elephant's feet should step on the flowers. Trampling over means step on the flower, यानी इसके पैर flowers को कुचल देंगे. And crushing them all. They have sent for men and sticks, said Timmy. So Timmy is saying they have sent for men with stick. Means men are coming, circus men are coming to catch the elephant, and they are coming with the sticks. They'll scare that bad elephant properly. Scare means bad elephant को डरा के वो circus में लेके जाएंगे. That is Timmy wants to say. I wouldn't mind chasing him myself. Who's saying? Timmy is saying, I wouldn't mind chasing him myself. But elephants are nice, said Tara. So Tara likes elephant because they are nice. I rode on one many times at the zoo. So Tara is saying she has taken a ride of elephant many times when she has gone to zoo. They are gentle and kind. Who are gentle? Elephants are gentle and kind. They can't help being big and having enormous feet. She is saying they are very helpless because they are big by their nature, and having enormous feet means their feet are very big. So they are very big and having large feet. So they can't help themselves. I think it's very unkind to send for men with sticks. It is very unkind means it is not kind for men to beat the elephant with stick. So what Tara want to say, that they should not take sticks to beat the elephant, not to scare the elephant with stick. That is not kind part. All right, then you go and get the elephants out of the park, said Timmy. So Timmy is saying, okay, then you go. Timmy is saying to Tara, then you go and remove that elephant from the park. Go on, see if it will come and eat out of your hand and follow you. So Timmy is saying that you go and see if he eats from your hand and he follows you to the circus. Tara stood listening to Timmy. So Tara is listening to Timmy. She was about to tell him that an elephant had eaten out of her hand at the zoo. So Tara has already fed the elephant when she went to the zoo, when she had given him an apple. So she has given an apple to the elephant when she has gone to zoo. Then a grand idea came into her head. As soon as school was over, she rushed home and changed her clothes. So as soon as the school was over, she rushed home and changed her clothes. Then she went to the fruit shop near her house. So she went to the fruit shop near her house. What she is doing in the what she is doing near fruit shop? Let's see. Please give me some apples big enough to feed an elephant. So Tara is asking apples from the shopkeeper, fruit shopkeeper. Now she has come with the apples in the basket. Now where did that elephant go? Jim said it was in the park. I hope those men with sticks haven't scared it away. So she is thinking, where is the elephant now in the park? It is not to be seen, and hope that elephants are not scared it away. Miss Mans ने elephant को डरा के यहाँ से लेके नहीं गए. So she was thinking like that. Come Appu, do you want some apples? Come to Tara Appu. So Tara sees Appu and she is calling Appu to have some apples, to eat some apples. Come Appu, come to Tara. Do you like apples? So Tara is asking Appu, do you like apples? Tara got some big juicy apples for you. So Tara is saying that I brought some juicy apples for you. Come and have it. Tara is calling Appu. Come Appu, good Appu, have an apple, you must be hungry. So Tara is feeding apple to Appu, elephant, baby elephant. And these men are wondering what is happening. Now what these men are saying, those who have come to catch the elephant, they are come from the zoo to catch the elephant, to scare the elephant out of the park and to take this elephant in the circus. Now Tara is feeding apple to Appu. What they are saying, see, look, Appu is eating out of Tara's hand, called the keeper. Now he is calling the keeper. Means who is the keeper? Keeper means person who takes care of elephant. Now what the keeper is saying, you are a brave little girl. This keeper is saying, you are a brave little girl. Would you like a ride on Appu? So he is offering Tara a ride on elephant. क्या तुम elephant के ऊपर ride लेना चाहती हो? That this keeper is asking Tara. Tara is very happy. See, she is sitting on the elephant's back and taking ride. Look, Tara, there's Tara. She is sitting on elephant's back. Who is saying? The friends. Tara's friends are saying. So Tara, from this lesson we have learned that elephants can be taken good care and they cannot be beaten with sticks. We should be very kind and gentle to the elephant. They are also not dangerous. If we are giving love, they also can understand our affection. They can also understand our love towards them. So not all animals are dangerous. Okay, so we should not harm animals unless they don't attack us. So read this chapter, children, read this chapter nicely, and practice reading at home. You must know how to read lessons. Bye for now and take care of your health.